Hi loves, welcome back to another video with your girl Moya. It is Baddies and the Bag, and we are doing a Baddies and the Bag Christmas. Excited to tell y'all about what we got going on for the holiday because so much joy. First, let's start by saying the holiday sale has started. The holiday sale is 30% off all orders $20 or more, and we are going to be doing an annual Baddies and the Bag giveaway. And for the annual giveaway, I will be choosing 10 people. So I have 10 holiday packages to give away. 5 of these people will be chosen from the holiday sale on my website. So as long as you place an order on the website, you will automatically enter into the giveaway. So gift box number 1, I have gift box number 2 here. I have another gift box here. There's one inside of here, and there's another one inside of here. 5 gift box giveaway will be going to 5 people who place an order throughout the holiday sale on my website. Now the gift boxes are going to be filled with budgeting supplies. All items that's going to be in the boxes will be items that are not on the website. So all the budgeting supplies will be brand new budgeting supplies that y'all never seen with y'all 2 eyes before, because I ain't even make them yet. There's also going to be 1 or 2 items in your box that has nothing to do with my website, just a gift from your girl Moya. So I'm going to go shopping for y'all. Place an order on the website. The holiday sale starts already. 30% of all orders $20 or more for a chance to enter into the annual Baddies in the Bag Christmas giveaway. The other 5 people will be chosen from my YouTube channel in the comment section. So over the course of the holiday, starting today, I will be watching my comment section, and I'm going to be picking 5 people from the comment sections, probably on different videos, to receive the other 5 gift packages. I have these 2 little cute containers, and along with that, I have these cute giveaway packages. So 5 people will be chosen out of the comment section who's going to win the annual Baddies in the Bag Christmas giveaway. So 5 people will be chosen. So get active on the channel. Make sure you guys are sharing out the videos. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you are subscribed. In order to win, you have to be a subscriber. Make sure you are liking the videos. Make sure you are leaving a little comment. And make sure you are sharing out the videos to be entered into the giveaway. I've been watching my comment section this whole time and commenting and everything, but I'm going to be definitely watching now, because I'm going to have to start picking out my 5 people from the comment section who's going to win. If you want one of the big boxes, place your order. The discount is automatic, so it's no code. And then for my people who want to stick with the smaller giveaway packages, make sure you stay active on your girl's page. You have until the 26th of December to enter into the giveaway. So the last day of the holiday sale is December 26th. So that's when the sale ends, and that's when the chance to enter the giveaway for the boxes end. And then as for the giveaway on the channel, you guys have until the 31st of December to enter. That way you guys can get a chance to win. So we do have Christmas bundles for gifts. If you want to purchase a gift for a friend or family, or you want to purchase a gift for yourself. Now I have with me 5 different gift bundles to show you guys that are now available on the website. 5 different bundles. I'm going to show you guys what's included in each bundle, and so you guys can get a clear picture of what's going on. Before I do that though, I wanted to show you guys 3 new challenges that are added to the website that I think you might like. The first challenge is the lucky dice. It's another roll the dice challenge. This one is slightly different because it's only 1 dice, and it says roll your dice and save the amount it lands on, and you get 3 pieces. This is what it looks like. So you're gonna roll your 1 dice. So if your dice lands on 1, you put your 1. Next up, we have the unscramble and save. I know. Look at these words. So with the unscramble and save, you have to unscramble the word, and whatever the word is the amount that you need to save. Next up, we have the dollar search. I know my brain works in mysterious ways. I haven't seen anyone with this, neither have I seen anyone with the unscramble. So it's safe to say Moya and her creative brain has done some creative stuff. So this is the dollar search. As y'all can see, it's a puzzle, and in the puzzle, these are all the words. Now you have to find the words to save. So you have 5, 10, 15, 50, 30, 20, 40, 80, 60, and 100. Once you find those words, you have to save the amount. So if you find where the 20 is, you have to save $20. If you find the 100, you have to save $100. If you find 10, you have to save $10. Let me introduce you guys to the holiday bundle special. So with the bundle special, you get the pink cute gold ring binder along with 10 envelopes to match the binder. Now you have the option to either have your envelopes blank, or you have the option to request 10 categories printed on your envelopes with the Cricut machine in gold. Going to be a box there asking if you want it blank or you want your categories. The dollar search, the unscramble, the lucky dice, the self-care bundle, and the fact that you guys get a chance to choose your categories and get your words printed on your envelopes is what's really doing it for me. So now that we have that covered, let's get into the gift package bundles. So the first gift package bundle is for $15, and with the $15 bundle, a Merry Christmas card, 32 paychecks saving challenge bundle. They get a saving tracker. They will get the $20 Friday saving challenge bundle, as well as the 12-month saving challenge bundle. And this is the $15 gift package. They're going to be a mixture of different gift boxes, but if you order one of the gift packages, they will be in gift boxes. Basically, it's a gift for Christmas. Next up, we have the $25 gift package bundle. With all the bundles, there will be a Merry Christmas card included, the Bingo Saving Challenge bundle, the Big Energy Saving Challenge bundle, the Monthly Saving Challenge Scratch Off bundle, 2 placeholders, and a self-care bingo. Now you have a 4-piece bingo challenge, a 4-piece big energy challenge, a 3-piece monthly challenge, a 2-piece placeholder, and the self-care bingo. Next up, we have the $50 gift bundle. And with the $50 gift bundle, your loved one will receive the I Am a Millionaire Saving Challenge bundle, the Roll the Dice Saving Challenge bundle, 2-piece placeholder, the Scratch and Save, the Dollar Search, a Saving Challenge tracker, a self-care binder, 4 challenges, a set of 2 placeholders, and the savings tracker. Next up, we have the $75 gift bundle, and in the $75 gift bundle, the 32 paychecks saving challenge, 2 pieces of placeholders, the Queen in the Deck challenge, the Scratch and Save, a 2024 calendar, the Bad Issues Only A7 binder with envelopes, challenges, the whole entire bundle, Unscramble and Save challenge, and last but not least, the Big Bag Savings Challenge bundle. And this is not even on the website. So it's the dashboard and 6 challenges, 6 envelopes, and a binder. You have 2 binders, 4 challenges, and a set of 2 placeholders. Now let's talk about the $100 gift bundle. A set of 2 placeholders, the savings tracker, 6 pieces of cash breakdowns, the 2-time scratch and save doubler, the 4-piece self-care bundle, the dollar search challenge, the unscramble and save challenge, the lucky dice challenge, a cute A6 gold ring binder. Along with the binder, they will receive 10 envelopes to match the binder, and along with this they'll get the budget breakdown book, and along with that, ta-da, the big bag saving challenge book. And this is the $100 gift bundle. So all of the gift bundles will be in gift packages. So if I could include one of these in the box without it being squished, then I will put this on the package after I wrap it for you guys. So that is the gift package bundle.